Microbiology is the study of tiny living things that are too small to see without a microscope. These organisms, called microbes, are all around us and play a big role in our lives. Today, we're going to explore how microbiology started, how it has changed the world, and what's happening in this field today. The story of microbiology begins in the late 1600s. A man named Antony van Leeuwenhoek, who wasn't even a trained scientist, built his own microscopes. When he looked through them, he saw tiny moving things in water and called them animalcules. These were actually microbes. This was the first time anyone had seen these tiny organisms. It was a huge discovery, but it would take nearly 200 years before people really started to understand them. In the 1800s, two scientists changed how we think about microbes. Louis Pasteur showed that microbes cause things like food to spoil and even diseases. This idea is called germ theory. Another scientist, Robert Koch, figured out that specific microbes cause specific diseases, like cholera and tuberculosis. This helped doctors know how to fight these illnesses. From the late 1800s to the early 1900s, microbiology really took off. Scientists discovered many germs and even created vaccines to protect people from diseases like rabies and tetanus. One of the biggest breakthroughs came in 1928, when Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, the first antibiotic. This medicine has saved millions of lives by fighting infections. By the 1950s, scientists had better tools, like powerful electron microscopes. These let them see viruses for the first time. In 1953, researchers discovered the structure of DNA, the molecule that holds the instructions for life. In the 1970s, scientists figured out how to change DNA. This led to amazing things, like creating insulin to help people with diabetes. Microbes are not just important for science. They've also been at the center of global health problems. Diseases like HIV/AIDS, SARS, and COVID-19 have shown how microbes can challenge the world. During the COVID-19 pandemic, scientists worked faster than ever to create vaccines, showing how much microbiology has advanced. Today, microbiology is about more than just fighting germs. Scientists are using microbes to make biofuels, clean up pollution, and even help grow food. One exciting tool is called CRISPR. It lets scientists edit DNA, which could help cure diseases or improve crops. Microbiologists are also studying microbes in extreme places, like deep in the ocean or on other planets. With all these new discoveries, there are also big questions. How do we use this knowledge safely? And how do we make sure it helps everyone? Microbiology has changed the world in so many ways. It helps us fight diseases, make medicines, and understand life itself. And as we keep exploring, who knows what amazing discoveries are still out there. Thanks for watching this video on Legacy Elect Books LLC EduSpark channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn more about the wonders of science with us.